You brought that on yourself. That was all you. No, I'm just kidding. I brought it on you. Whoops. Hello. Thanks for taking the time out of your busy day to watch this video or any of the other videos I put out for fun because I have absolutely nothing else going on. I am SB Mitch, the highest rated YouTuber in the history of YouTube ratings, which is a real thing. You can follow me on social media platforms, Instagram and Twitter at the handle on your screen right now. I also have a website. It's called ransomnotesneakers.com, and you can find things that I have for sale there that I get in like beater boxes from Soul Supremacy and a couple other things too, but because those will never be on there. Hey! Before we get started on today's super wonderful, important video, this Saturday, March 16th in the year 2019, I will be attending SneakerCon Cleveland. You should find me. You should say hello. I'll be there with my brother again this year. If you haven't seen the SneakerCon Cleveland vlog from last year, it was the first time I ever vlogged, and it shows. But you can check it out there if you really want. I promise this one that I'm doing this year is going to be way better and probably more funny. Funnier? I don't really know. Should be a good time. I'll be interviewing folks for good times and fun stuff. But yeah, find me. SneakerCon Cleveland this Saturday between 12 and 7 at the Huntington Convention Center, I think. And right now, it's time for Haul Series number 61! Shout out Fizzy Water. Anyways, 4 things today. That's 3. There's 4 things, but in 3 boxes. So let's get this first thing out of the way. This actually comes to us from a company based in Connecticut, I think, but it's a clothing company called Quality and Conflict. I'll put the link down below in the video description. I've been following his brand for a while, and it's just nice to support small brands that do good stuff. So this hoodie is called the Bitter Beings. If you don't recognize the font, you should definitely do a web search on CKY. That is a band that is involved with a lot of the guys from Big Brother Magazine and the TV show Jackass. But it's the font of CKY, and this is actually a really, really cool looking hoodie. It's Champion, so you know the comfort and the quality is there, but it's just a really simple hoodie. I'm really, really into this. Probably gonna be wearing it to SneakerCon. Is there anything on the back? Yeah, so on the back, it's the Quality and Conflict logo. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up. It's a C with a Q mixed in it. I just think it's a really simple, slick looking logo and just a cool hoodie. So definitely check them out, Quality and Conflict. I'll throw the link to the website down in the video description. This is really awesome. This next thing comes to us from, yeah, you guessed it. No, you didn't guess it because I didn't give you a chance to guess, but it comes to us from Soul Supremacy. It's not a beater box, but they recently moved locations, so they had their website down for a little bit. When they reopened it, kind of, they did not a flash sale, but they allowed people that follow them on Twitter to have like early access to see their stuff. So they actually had a size 11 Air Jordan 1 that I've been looking for a long time. Now this is a worn pair from Soul Supremacy. Soul Supremacy recently started doing worn pairs on their website. So from experience, when you buy something worn from Soul Supremacy, it means it's in 9+ out of 10 condition. But this is a size 11 Air Jordan 1. I am very excited about this. So, this is a pretty recent retro. This is from 2016. These are the Storm Blue Air Jordan 1s. Now this is a recent enough retro for me to where I know it's gonna fit. A lot of late 2000 to early 2010 Jordan 1s don't fit me, they're too narrow, but this has got the same shape as the 2016 and 2015 releases, so I think I should be good. The condition on these is ridiculous. A little bit of toe box creasing. There's like no wear on the bottoms at all, which is awesome. So this is a personal pair I will be keeping. That's the kind of condition you're gonna get from Soul Supremacy when you buy from their worn section, and the prices are actually really fair. And lastly, where'd my knife go? It's been a really long time since I've had this friend on the channel. You guys know him, I love him, you should love him. It's the triumphant return of the Droner. You can follow him on Twitter at DroneKicks. Really, really good dude. I can't say enough nice things about him because we're actually like friends in real life, which is pretty crazy considering we met on Twitter. I got 2 pairs from him. Look at this big packing thing. Waka 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 waka. A Pac-Man reference for you youngins. To keep on the Jordan 1 theme, another personal pair, Jordan 1, size 11. And if you noticed from the Eiffel 65 song playing in the beginning, there's kind of a theme going on here. This is a pair of the 2017 release of the Air Jordan 1 Royal. This pair has eluded my collection for a really long time. I don't know why. I'm really glad that I got these in my size. Quality on the leather on the Royal release was kind of all over the place. It was in a very transitional period for Jordan brand where they were kind of starting to just really care about the quality they're putting out. These eventually, if I let them sit for a while, which I will not, will get the little glittery all over the place, which is cool, but I am just very excited about these. I've always wanted a pair of Royals, and I just never got around to it, so. And another Jordan 1, it is a size 11. This one's blue too, but it is a pair of the Game Royal ones. I just like the color blocking on these. A lot of people will and make it look like a pair of frags. A lot of people will customize the mudguard to make it look like a pair of frags. I like this colorway. It's simple. It's got more interesting blocking, but very cool pair. From a very cool dude, the Dronski, El Dronerino, Das Drone. Remember to give that fella a follow on Twitter at DroneKicks. Really good follow, really good dude, and just a great friend. And I'm not gonna waste any more time. I got a lot of stuff to do. I'm going to SneakerCon Cleveland this weekend. I hope to see you there if you're going. Please say hello. That should be pretty cool. Again, follow the Droner on Twitter. Check out Quality and Conflict, and definitely check out Soul Supremacy. Thank you everybody for the continued support. I really appreciate it. I know my videos are definitely an acquired taste, so if you stick around to watch these, man, kudos to you. I appreciate it. So next week I think I have a beater box, and we'll have a SneakerCon vlog. So until then, take care of each other, and remember, if you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy. See you this weekend if you're going to SneakerCon. Otherwise, I'll see you on the internet. Bye-bye.